Gangsters in the studio. Today we are going out of our comfort zone and driving to the Blue Ridge Parkway. We'll probably I'll probably stop at one of the Outlook oversight spots. Maybe meditate there and vibe. Definitely vlog there.
I'm here now?
Yeah, I'm on you.
Yeah, we have no idea what to expect. All I know is it's gonna be mountains, it's gonna be sunny and nice. There's these overlook spots which we plan to have a picnic at and just eat some smoothies and stuff. It's gonna be fun. No, it's good.
Yo, what's up? So we're headed to the cafe.
Yo.
I'm excited to get food there. We haven't gotten food there in honestly some time, maybe over a month or two.
Yeah, it has been a while. And they're overall pretty good.
And they're pretty good.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get like a vegetable bowl, like rice, kale, sweet potatoes, some fire tofu.
Yeah, it's pretty good. That's our usual, and I might get that, or I might get this sandwich they have that's pretty good too. We'll see.
Gosh, I might get the bowl or the sandwich.
What delicious food do I get? Yo. I feel like I'm surfing. This is sick. Going around this bend here. This is a stupid turn. This turn's fucking stupid.
Crash my car again, goddamn. That turns fucking hard.
That turn's not hard, you just can't go 80 doing it.
Oh yeah, exactly.
There's nothing hard about that turn.
No, nothing hard about it. No, you're right. Just don't go 80. That's perfectly said.
So we just finished eating our food. It was super yummy. I got the bowl like we always get. It's really good.
Yeah, it was really good. The food's always heavy as usual.
Yeah. So because Chris and I eat mostly raw food and like fruits and vegetables, whenever we eat cooked food, we do feel like that lower vibration that it has and the tiredness. We call it inertia.
It's like an energy drop.
Yeah, it's an energy drop. Some gurus refer to it as inertia. It's inertiatic food. I think it's really well said. It does stimulate inertia. But yeah, so now we're heading to the Blue Ridge Parkway. We have some ideas of where we're gonna go. We have like some pull-off spots we're gonna go to. And we'll see you guys when we're on the Blue Ridge. Alright, so we're on the Blue Ridge now. This is evidently it.
It's beautiful. I love it. It's chill.
Yeah, I like the trees. It said Roanoke, no shit, huh? That's crazy.
It said Roanoke?
Yeah. They're like Blue Ridge Parkway and All American Road. Okay. Like, oh my bad, I thought it was Russian. Almost forgot.
Folk Art Center.
I don't know what that is.
I guess it's just people making art. I like how there's
is a vibe.
leaves cinematically falling, just driving through these orange trees.
It's fun.
Yeah, we'll see how the view is on any of the overlooks.
So the overlook we have in mind is in 1.8 miles. I expected more mountain edges and less trees so far. So
Yeah, I didn't know we were gonna be in the heart of a forest.
it's a forest apparently.
But this also is one part of it, obviously.
Yeah. So I just found some ancient hieroglyphics. All right. Yeah. That. Can I zoom on the kid? Sheesh.
This is a spot right here, bro. This is a spot. There's pretty much a fence, bench, and an insane view.
Holy shit.
Dude, that view is cracked.
That's crazy. It's almost peaceful.
Got a view of me in the, I'd call it almost the city in the background.
I think it's planet Earth. Yeah, I got a view of you in planet Earth. It's beautiful.
Take a picture of me.
Sick.
Yeah, now it's peaceful. Want to continue walking down?
Yeah, it's gone getting lost.
I'm liking this little, gradually stomped on trail. And yeah, I'm dressed perfectly, I'd say.
Yeah, Sam.
Wow.
Damn, this is crazy.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Wow, it's beautiful.
it's so beautiful. That's sick.
I'm
It's so vast, it's crazy.
yellow, green, kind of rusty brown.
It's beautiful.
So now, why don't we just run into the back? We should just get lost in the wilderness. Just bring a machete,
Yeah,
a tent,
I think that's a good idea.
go off the grid, bro.
No, I think it's one of the best ideas we've had.
Yeah.
Just barrel roll down this hill right now, see what happens.
Yeah, exactly.
Get raised by some bears.
Fight some bears, befriend them.
Just chilling on the fence.
It's sunny, smells good, it's quiet now. All the cars seem to be gone.
Yeah, the cars are kind of gone. This view's mad nice. Super bright. Well, I can tell this is a great eye exercise spot because it's long distance, lots of sunlight.
Yep.
And I
Mooga
hear,
W.
I hear a bear, I'm pretty sure. We're both just like, what? Is there like a bear or something? You take this, bro?
Dope. Oh, yeah, bro.
Oh, nearly just did the tumble.
Let's-
tumble plan.
Let's not tumble without coordination.
It's a bit of a. This is awesome tree.
Off-road trail.
I also want to embrace the tree. Let's embrace this tree. Because do we even know what trees are? We don't know what trees are. What is this? We cut them down.
It's a piece of earth tower that gives us life.
It's a life wisdom vein of the planet.
It is a wisdom vein.
And we make paper and cardboard out of them.
It's
So
a-
Amazon can make billions of dollars. Isn't it cool?
It's a piranha generator.
Exactly. It creates life force in the air for us.
This is the meditation spot, no case. This is the meditation spot, bro.
This is beautiful.
This is so beautiful. I feel being purified. The wind, it's the perfect breeze coming through right now. It
Mhm.
smells like a Christmas tree out here. It smells amazing.
It smells great. I feel great. Yeah, let's hop back in the car and find a nice trail.
Yeah, I want to go on a hike.
2.3 miles. Left turn. So we're on the Blue Ridge for 2 miles?
Yep.
Gotcha. Are you recording right now? Yeah, I'm recording.
Alright, so we're headed to this trail or hike spot. It's got really good reviews, and hopefully we can find parking there and really commit to a nice hike.
That's sinful. Oh, it should be this. Craven Gap.
3,000 feet. It's left turn, right?
Yeah, this right here, no?
That's it.
Yeah, this has to be it, right? Has to be.
This is so peaceful.
It was nice.
I'm feeling primal energies within me awaken. I'm not even kidding. Just standing in this forest.
I feel like I'm living in Minecraft, which is better than playing Minecraft.
Like these little frosty, bright, white, green plants at our feet.
So yeah, we drove another 2 miles and pulled to the side for this trail. Although we don't really know
Hike
what the
is.
trail is. That up there's private property. That also is a private property. This road goes on for like 2 miles
Yeah, I think
plus.
this is it then.
Nah, that's for like cars though. There's a trail over there. Maybe we could take that. Sounds nice.
Ooh, this feels so good.
The air feels
The air
so
feels
nice.
like a shower. Let's
Yeah.
walk down this. I swear, this is probably it.
You want to walk down this?
Yeah, I think this is probably it though.
Alright, because there's actually a trail over there. You know, it's not like a road.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, and I saw someone park, like, and they didn't come in this direction. So we'll probably just walk down this for like a little bit and then go on to the dirt road over there.
There's like some stones there. Like,
Yeah, it's
like a house.
Stones. Got some cobblestones over here. On a side note, being on shrooms here would be epic as fuck.
yes.
That'd be epic as fuck.
Indeed. It would be epic. The cool thing about shrooms is that you don't get like paranoid or weird.
Yeah, cannabis is like extra, like.
This is someone's
Mhm.
house. This
Yeah.
is someone's house. That's crazy.
This is definitely, yes, this is definitely.
Damn. Bro.
I
Hey, this
know,
is a
elite
street, bro.
neighborhood.
This isn't a trail. We're on a street.
Yeah, okay. Let's turn around there and go on the hiking spot.
Alright, let's do that.
Yeah.
So there's this gate here. And we can't seem to find where the trail starts, so we're looking into that.
Yep.
But it's wonderful being out here. The oxygen just feels like it's like Christmas morning serotonin. It smells so good.
So there's an overlook.
So we found a trail.
There's even a branch off here.
That's kind of cool.
Let's
Yeah.
check out this direction goes first.
Yeah, so we both do.
Yeah, someone on the reviews described this trail as like a choose your own adventure. He said there's a bunch of crossroads and you can just make a decision and get lost.
Yeah. All right.
That
For the record, it's so hot today.
it is. It's like a summer day.
It's insane. I'm actually overdressed. I have a long sleeve shirt and sweatpants. It's evidently too hot.
Isn't it a nice hike, a little trail?
Yeah, it's pretty
We're
cool.
going high up.
Pretty cool view here, looks like. Can't get a great view of it right now because of trees, but yeah, this looks sick.
Oh, this is a nice spot. Even though we're
It's hard to
Parkway
see,
sides.
but yeah.
No, there's no views. There's supposedly no views unless you get to the outlook or the overlook, whatever it's called.
Uh-huh.
And we don't know. We might be on our way to the outlook. It's supposed to be at the end of the trail, but I don't know. We found a trail. I'm not sure if it's the trail.
Yeah, let's try our best to not get lost.
It's pretty easy. It's just one direction.
Well, yeah, kind of.
It's the definition of out of our comfort zone.
Hell yeah, it's way easier to play Counter-Strike than do this.
you get any of us walking?
Yeah, a little bit. You can come next to me, but I know it's a thin trail.
Yeah. Oh, there's space on the left side, okay.
I'm used to being a gaming loser.
I'm so used to being a loser, but this is pretty cool.
Now I'm on a mountain and I can die.
A bear might attack me. I'll have to outrun it or perish. I'm quite.
Eating a crab?
Man, I'm looking the backpack. I can't believe you saying that.
I can take it.
You can take the camera if you want.
Yeah, lead the way. It's a cool little trail.
Yeah.
Careful of that step.
Yep.
I like the colors. This is beautiful. Got some view behind
Get
us.
these colors here.
We'll let them pass us if they want to pass us. We're taking our time. High up's pretty cool. I can get both of us pretty easily.
Yeah.
I won't stop remarking how sweet and tasty this air is. We're surrounded by our friends, which are the trees.
Touch the tree as you pass it.
I'll touch this one.
I'll touch this one. It's my first one I'm putting in my left hand.
Left hand tree love.
It took some negativity away from you.
That healing up.
Just some vegan tree huggers.
I might end this segment here.
Alright. It's pretty dope.
It's very dope.
Yeah, so hopefully we're headed towards a dope lookout spot
We're going up.
because we brought our food and we'd appreciate to enjoy the smoothies with a nice view. Preferably not in the middle of a thin trail. It's not really an option. We have motivators behind us, so I'm gonna try to keep my pace up.
Yep.
Leaves falling all over us. Is there an overlook over there, or like what's at the end of this? Leave it at the end? Ah, that's all good. Just curious, thanks. They didn't reach the end of it. That's actually a pretty good, it's a pretty good sign.
Yeah, right.
That's a good sign. This is a good trail. Yeah, I'm down to keep a relatively fast pace and like actually see what's at the end of this
Yeah.
pretty mysterious trail. Got some nice rocks up ahead. There's some Slenderman signatures half a mile ahead to the left, I
That tree
think.
means business.
This tree does mean business.
Tree means business. We're thankful for you, tree.
But these guys behind us are probably like, why do they keep touching every tree they see? Oh, I slipped a little bit there. Perfect little stump. Oh, sunny little stump there. There's a view to our right through the tree line. Kind of hard to see. This is the cardio everyone should get. Where the fuck we is? I don't know where I am, but I like it.
Wow, the colors like looking at the floor is crazy though.
The colors on the floor, huh?
Yeah, dude, just like there's yellow and red leaves. Like seriously. It's
Yeah. Sunny spot up ahead. It's like a gigantic slope of rock.
Yeah, it's a cliff.
That's a spot. Like actually, if you wanted to just tan, that's kind of a slopey spot. Yo,
What is this? That's crazy.
that is crazy. Damn. Sheesh. Steep rock there. That's kind of cool. Gigantic, steep rock there. Leaf hit me right in the face. That's probably the fourth one today. It's good luck. I've had 4 leaves hit me in the face and a ladybug land on me. So we're collecting all the blessings in rare forms. Now, how many leaves do you think have hit you?
Probably these 5.
Exactly. Yeah, they're all falling right now. It's like the last weekend where most of the trees are still having leaves. I had to leave like the trees do. Wait, what? I had to leave like the trees do leaves?
I don't know.
Travis, you're trying too hard. Trying too hard, sir.
I had to leave like the leaves didn't fall. I know that's not Travis Scott lyrics, but
Yes. Like the leaves do trees. Still behind us?
these big breaks I think right now. Man.
I mean, yeah, that spot was pretty good. We'll probably chill out there on the way back.
What spot?
That slopey rock. I just wanted to like look at it more.
I hear you.
Yeah. This is also a very admirable rock right next to us. Look at that shit.
It's crazy.
Huge. Hey, bad. There's a mountain view. Oh, it's behind a bunch of trees.
Yeah.
So on we go.
Keep going. We're pretty far from
We
our
keep
car now.
going. We keep going. Yeah, we're probably a mile into this hike.
We're pretty far, or at least a mile.
Yeah. Yeah, I stopped the first recording, but we've been recording this hike for like 15 minutes maybe, 12 minutes. I'm really enjoying, this is a special tree.
That's a special view.
This tree's right in the way of the trail. He is unignorable. He's getting a hug from the boys. Take a group shot with this tree. Even got some shrooms on him. It's a good tree. We appreciate you. This tree has done more than I have.
And it doesn't even move.
existed for so
There's
long.
like weird shit there.
Yeah, it's,
But you're perfectly beautiful.
Wow.
Onwards! True. True. Be careful. Be careful now.
I hear voices below us.
Yeah, true. Here's the stairs. Rocky stairs. Wait, I just wanted to show my free rent is right there. That's where I live when I don't actually live within the grid.
Yeah, it's 2 cents a year.
Yeah. The 2 cents is really just a hypothetical offering. Hello. Did you guys get to the end of this?
Yeah.
So is there an overlook or no?
No, not really.
No.
It ends up hitting a road, and then it hits another trail called the Rattlesnake Lodge
But
Trail.
Alright.
it's still away from here.
Yeah, it's,
Gotcha.
it's a ways in.
Mile or so.
There's
Okay.
a spot if you go down a little ways. There's a big rock, and you can kind of sit on it and look out that way.
Cool.
Get a little bit of a view down there.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. I do love a nice, sweaty, prawned out human being.
You know, right?
That's a trustworthy person.
I know exactly. I was thinking the same thing. It's like, oh wait, how could you find a bad vibe here?
I know, right?
It's not conducive.
Usually the greatest auras are walking around on the sidewalks, not in the forest.
Exactly, bro. They're in
Uh,
drive-throughs.
We're busy polishing our auras into a rainbow splash.
So what I thought about was unfortunately we're wearing shoes.
Yeah,
That's
I
very
agree.
icky, though.
I agree. That's very it's very over the top because these rocks would have already split my feet in two if I wasn't wearing shoes. Now there is a lot of our inventions are actually essential. Like shoes is a classic. We're
Yeah,
very
bro.
soft creatures.
Being human's so weird. It's like,
It is weird. No, we actually are a survival game. It's fucking weird.
being a human feels simulation-like because it's all so impossible.
It really is.
And we're just vastly different than the other animals.
Bro, on like one of the first, when we just parked in this area, and we were on like the residential street, I was
Yeah.
saying how, yo, what the heck? This is
Dude,
interesting.
this is
This
crazy.
is interesting. It's like, the trail kind of is like ends, and there's a bunch of rocks going upwards up here. We'll see what it's about. But yeah, I was talking about that residential area because there's the first couple of minutes being in this very natural, pranic zone, I felt primal energies in my thoughts. Like I wanted to honestly hunt an animal, and that sounded fun. Or it like I was empathizing with natural survival that our ancestors had to do.
Yeah, I hear you.
And it's like the serotonin of getting a squirrel and you create your little fire. What?
Did that curve up left and we went this way?
Why are you confused about the direction we went? We went right, yeah, it went
I
up.
thought that stone step curved up top left. It curved leftward, and now we didn't go leftward.
It curved up and we went right. What's wrong with it being left? Who cares? There's a bunch of decisions you make.
No, exactly. I'm just trying to remember our path, bro.
I think we'll be fine.
I don't have the Skyrim spell clairvoyance, so I'm trying to get back to our car afterwards. It's, once again, still pretty linear. Oh, it is. It's very linear. I was just trying to understand. It's not that serious. Nope, not at all. Just trying to align. Sorry, you made an abrupt sound. It sounded weird. Is my homie swan diving off the mountain? I nearly did. Let's not do that. It's not water, it's rock. Don't swan dive, it's rocks. This is quite the trail. Long. It is long. I'm proud of us though, because we had the long time quest of doing this on a weekend. Yep, and we're finally doing it. This might be the rock spot that they talked about. I can't tell though. I feel like that's the leftward path that we chose on to take. What? That one up there? Can you see anything? The rock he talked about, I feel like was the path that I was talking about earlier that we chose not to take. What's hard to understand? Okay. I didn't see a left option on that staircase. You saw a left option on the staircase? I don't know, bro. I went unconscious and now we're trying to figure out where we went. That's all. That's why I talked to you about it, because I went unconscious. I was like, what happened? Where are we? Gotcha, bro. Just following you, bro. We're going pretty fast. Yeah. I'm trying to cover ground. I saw 14-14 just now, so we're blessed. Awesome. Appreciate that. Because the cold pressed juices had 14 fluid ounces. And then the equivalent was also 414 milliliters. It was 414 milliliters, yes. So it was only ones and fours. Speaking of that, I want a drink. Like, I'm looking forward to a break. I want a drink. Yeah. If I'm gonna talk about the meal we had, that food is not optimal fuel. No, that food sucks. It's acidic. Yeah, that food sucks. Damn. I was gonna stop this recording now. Yeah. Little wooden staircase here. It's nice. I must say, it's got integrity. It's cool. Someone put that there. This is honestly exactly the kind of hike I wanted. We're off the main street. There's no gasoline or cars immediately driving next to us. Yeah, we're in the elements. Yeah. What's this up ahead? This is not what they were talking about. This is it. This is exactly what they're talking about. Yeah, but you want to chill on this? We can chill on this. I'm not chill on this. Sheesh. Oh, this view is epic. Red. This is awesome. We're here. This is cool. So yeah, I think we'll set up shop and take a break here. I'm just enjoying this moment of stillness because we've been walking this entire time. Same. And this is a fire spot. It's a sunny rock. A nice actual opening on the view. This is exactly what I was talking about. You're talking about this, yeah. The prophecy has foretold of this spot. Yeah, we're sitting like on this rock slope. It's pretty cool. I'll take my glasses off too. Gotcha.
Yeah. Yo.
Yeah, we're chilling on a really big rock.
So yeah, we were walking for like probably close to 1.5 miles, hiking rather, and we found this slope, this big
Try
rock
and
we
show
can
it off.
on.
Yeah, that's like that thin leaves there is the trail, and we're on this really. It's hard to tell how steep it is. It looks kind of flat, but it's quite steep. And we have a great view.
Yeah, and just the air is so nice. It's so peaceful. Like, it's profoundly peaceful. I'm just sitting here relaxed. The sunlight feels so good. The wind feels so good. The air is fresh.
Oh, I have incredible peace right now.
This is it.
I'm
This is
still
it.
unjaded to the very sweet and pure air. Bottle this up and sell it.
Seriously. The air is rare.
The air is got the rarest air.
Gotta sell some rare air.
Rare air.
It's called rare. It's spelled A-I-R.
Sinkin' Rad, the last air vendor.
No fucking way you did that.
Air vendor.
Rare.
Rare air vendor.
You guys just saw the conception of our company here.
It's true. If you take it, that's cool. That's what we're here for. I'm here to make other people rich too. We are here to amplify every good emotion possible in ourselves and others.
To expand the consciousness of us and the collective.
But yeah, we stepped out of our comfort zone today. And I was very anxious and scared about it. I was like, what if we get lost? I had just false evidence appearing real.
Oh yeah, I wrote
Thoughts
something.
are pretty stupid, and they're rarely useful, in case you didn't know that. Thoughts are rarely useful.
Yeah.
And when I say rarely useful, it's because 90% of your thoughts are quite literally useless. They're
I
just,
wouldn't be that harsh towards thoughts, because thoughts can be beautiful.
they can.
But yes, negative thoughts are rarely useful.
Well, yeah, but you know like the stat, I'm just gonna make one up. The stat's like, you have like 60K thoughts a day.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
I swear 55,000 of those thoughts are straight trash. Like, dude, you don't really have to
Depends
think,
on the person,
you
bro.
don't really gotta think much.
Depends on the person.
Yeah,
Someone with good mind discipline, like a monk, I can guarantee you their ratio of beautiful thoughts vastly outweighs the negative.
yes, of course.
So they're out of their 60K, 55K are beautiful.
They're not even thinking 60,000 thoughts.
Yeah, it's 33,000
They're
beautiful thoughts.
probably thinking 3,000 thoughts, and 2.9K are useful. No, I think they're thinking less. But either way, it was just a little discussion there.
Yeah. It's,
I was just talking about anxiety and fear, and most thoughts. I'm not gonna talk for everyone, but most thoughts that people have are either about the past or the future, which don't matter,
Yeah.
or they're about anxieties and fears, which also don't matter because they're not real.
Yeah, I wrote something
As
about...
Sadhguru says, people are suffering their imagination and their memory.
Yeah, I wrote something in Discord about this recently, saying that the mind can make things seem scary, but you just have to have a strong soul and overcome it. You can't let your mind might scare you away from ideas or thoughts you have, might make it sound unappealing, but you gotta be stronger than the fear. You have to realize that it's just a thought.
I must say, sitting on this sunny mountain right now makes me pretty fucking sad. I gotta go to a warehouse tomorrow. I won't lie. This is it.
Yeah,
This is it.
this is it, bro.
Such a vibe.
So Chris and I are in love with this.
Yeah, what time is it?
Probably like 140.
It's 1:30. You have literally full service. You have 5G on this mountain. Gamma waves. We could stream right
Wanna try
now.
live streaming on YouTube
Uh,
or Twitch right now?
Let's try streaming.
You wanna go on YouTube or Twitch?
All right, so we're on the hike trail, headed back to the car. We're probably in, like another mile of hiking away from our car. It's been an amazing trail. Love the fresh air. It's just so peaceful. It just feels like the truth up here.
This is truth.
It's truth. There's no drama. You're away from all of it. You're away from all of people's drama. It's just so obvious that it's a part of a fabrication. This is reality here. It's peace. Yeah, it's just gets swallowed by the infinity. I have no anxiety. I have zero distractions and zero anxiety right now. No, I'm uplifted, kind of like, you know, when you go to the beach.
Yeah.
And like you just feel kind of like medicated from the beach. Yeah, that's how
Yeah.
I feel.
Like a workout too, of course.
Yeah, it's just, yeah, exactly. It's just
Endorphins.
endorphins. You'll pack the endorphins. So we're in the car now. We did it. We survived. We didn't get lost. That was awesome.
That was hella fun. I'm really glad we did that. We gotta do that more.
Yeah.
That's one thing we learned.
Super fun, super therapeutic.
Yeah, really good exercise, amazing fresh air,
Yeah.
great views. I feel really relaxed and healed from that activity.
Same.
Certainly healing and evolutionary.
Yeah, it was us going out of our comfort zone, and there's growth and there's fun in that. When you go out of your comfort zone, you're doing something new. It can be new, fresh, and fun. And that's what this experience was.
Peach Knob Meadow. We're going so much faster now.
It looks cool as fuck, right?
We're going higher.
Yeah, exactly. So this is gonna be a cool view, I think.
Keep going up.
Yeah, we even did a live stream on YouTube while on that hike, so we'll see how that went too. That was another opportunity of something new.
See, we did a live stream?
Yeah, we did a
Right,
YouTube
we
live
did a
stream on
live
that hike.
stream in the wilderness. We did a live stream in the forest.
Yeah,
That was fucking sick.
it's def cool. So this is called South 694. Yes, stay on 694.
It's called Town Mountain Road.
It's officially South 694.
Heard to that.
The people who are spending their weekends here, I just gotta congratulate that and appreciate
These
that.
kids are aware.
That's it. Dude, that's my kind of people. Like,
They know what's up.
you know, I can spend my time in front of a screen and play games and all that. But there is the balance of real life too that makes it everything so much more special. Variety is important.
Hell yeah, and I want to balance the virtual life of gaming,
Yeah, Sam.
nature, and healing. I want to balance those things. Woo. My lungs feel revived.
Yeah, that was cardio.
Yeah, I packed some Blue Ridge and lit that shit up. Straight prana. This is just our credits right here.
It's quite a view on the left side there, but it's not really like something I can see.
Wow, I smell fire.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yum. Sheesh.
It's quite the turn. that shit crack.
Ain't it rad? How much longer on this road?
That is a fucking crazy.
How much longer are we going on this road?
3 miles. High key, this has some crazy views right now. If we park to the side, it'll be it, but it's fine if we don't. Yeah, this one's ours, man.
Wildcat Chiffs.
Look at that
What's
shit.
that? Is that just like a really low-key way of saying mansions on a mountain?
Dude,
Wildcat Chiffs?
this view to the left is crazy. I wish I could show it.
It is
properly.
fucking sick. It
It's
is
so
damn sick.
crazy. I don't know. I don't think the camera captures it as well as.
I am only going like 30, so you can capture it.
No, but you can't see it though. It's hard to describe.
Yeah, I know, that's
My
true.
eyes can see it, but the camera can't. I don't know why.
Yeah, I mean, we drove up. We literally drove up.
Yeah,
the
now we're
mountain.
going down. I that's what I saw. I'm like, this is gonna be like a new route. It's gonna be scenic, I would assume.
Shit.